Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing one clear target keyword and defining search intent so your video answers real queries. This matters because YouTube rewards relevance. Once done, quickly audit the top 10 competing videos to copy structure and gaps. Then record a strong 60 to 90-second hook and map 3 main points plus where your CTA lives. This immediate structure improves watch time and viewer retention, both crucial ranking signals. Now you move into optimization. Use the keyword early in a compelling title and open your description with the same phrase because YouTube scans the first 200 characters. Make the full description 300 plus words to provide context and add timestamps so viewers can jump. That increases session value. Meanwhile, design a thumbnail at 1280 by 720 with bold, readable text and high contrast so it stands out. Also add focus tags and a relevant playlist to strengthen topical signals. Finish by setting video category, adding accurate subtitles, and enabling end screens to push viewers to another video. These choices boost session duration. Once live, prioritize the first 24 to 48 hours. Pin a searchable comment, share 3 targeted social posts, and send 1 brief email to create early velocity. If metrics stay low, troubleshoot by changing a single variable, swap the thumbnail, or tweak the title and monitor for 3 to 7 days. Incremental tests reveal what moves impressions into views.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.